Good morning, T-Wolves. Mr. Quentin here with what we did for Tuesday, March 30th, 2021. So we are continuing our discussion of economics. That is what we're doing this quarter. And yesterday we went over just kind of the basic idea of what economics is, right? So we talked about how it is the idea of using our resources, okay? And those resources could be anything. They could be natural resources, renewable resources, non-renewable resources. They could even be things that are a little bit less tangible, like, for example, using Zoom to go to school. That Zoom is a resource for you. So it's using resources to help make, to help use, and to help move our goods and services, right? So when we say make, that's production. When we say use, that's consumption. When we say move, that's distribution. So as I said yesterday, you're going to hear a lot of words that you think you don't know, but in fact, you already do. You're just getting them in a bit of a different context. I think the biggest one that you need to remember from yesterday, from our discussion yesterday, would be the idea of scarcity. So scarcity just simply refers to the fact that nothing is unlimited. We have nothing that is truly unlimited here in this world, on the planet. And so what we're doing with that scarcity determines how we proceed economically. And we talked a little bit about that. We talked about the differences in the goals that a society has, how much freedom they want to have, how much efficiency. Efficiency is just a way of saying not wasting anything. So not wasting your time, not wasting your money, not wasting your effort, not wasting your product. All those things go into being efficient. And so we answered some questions about that. That's what we did yesterday. Today, we're going to take that information and we are going to use it for our assignment. Now, this assignment is 4 points. It is a minor grade assignment. So make sure that you get that done tonight so that you don't lose points. We are, as always, pretending we're first period, and we are going to go to quarter 4. And head on into week of March 29th, and then head on into Tuesday, where you will see our assignment. You know what? I am going to even fix this just to remind you that this is a minor grade assignment. Okay, there we go. So now we know for sure, minor grade assignment. And let's take a look inside. So we have our description. It says, please use your handout from yesterday, which is attached below. It's right there. It's attached below to assist you in creating a billboard that advertises the importance of economics. Your billboard should include images and a slogan of some kind, like I'm loving it for McDonald's or eat more chicken for Chick-fil-A. Then answer the piggy bank questions with at least 2 sentences. Now, for you who are coming back to view this video, either to, just kind of make sure you have everything down. Maybe you're watching or listening to this video for a quiz or a test. This wouldn't really apply to you. If you are viewing this video because you missed class and you are looking to make up the work, that means you are doing this asynchronously. And if you're doing this asynchronously, this will not apply to you. But for those of you who did do this in a group, or were planning to do this in a group, for those of you who might be watching this in class today, just because you're getting a second dose, then you might work in a group on this. Please be prepared to share your billboard with the class. All right, so that's what's up. Let me show you here that you will see this is your actual handout. Here's your wonderful little billboard. Here are the piggy bank questions. What is economics? Why is it important to understand? What is the most important thing to know about economics? And this is what I came up with. You can see here, I just inserted some simple images. You may be as creative as you like on your images. And then here's my tagline. Here is my slogan, economics, because money makes the world go round. So that's what I did there for my billboard. My economics knowledge here, piggy bank knowledge. What is economics? Economics is the study of how and why people create businesses. It involves goods and services, production, distribution, and consumption. Why is it important to understand? If we don't understand how economics works, then we may not be able to have a successful society. We need to be able to understand the part economics plays in keeping our country relevant. What is the most important thing to know about economics? I would say the most important thing to know is that people need economic freedom. They have to be able to make the best decisions possible to be successful. Now, that you might remember from yesterday is almost, it's a very similar argument that I made to answering the third question of what's the most important economic goal. And folks, I'm okay if you reiterate something. You don't get to copy and paste by any stretch of the imagination, but you can reiterate something that you had made a point about yesterday. That is fine. So you'll see that I was able to get 2 sentences in there, okay, into each one, and that I made a billboard that's got some images and it's got a tagline. So this is what you're going to be doing today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Send me that note in school. You send them that email. Other than that, I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Mr. Quinton out.